In this example, we are going to determine the cardinality of these sets. The cardinality of a set is tallying up the number of distinct elements in any given set. So we have here for A, set S is equal to Cartman, Kyle, Stan, Kenny, and Butters. So for A, the number of distinct elements, and we write it as this, the number of distinct elements in S, and there is 5. For B, the number of distinct elements in set A shows the empty set. There are two ways that we can show an empty set. We could either have it as this circle with a line through it, or we could go ahead and we could put in the curly braces of a set and show that there's nothing in there. So the cardinality for the empty set is 0. There's no elements in the empty set. C, H is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and you can see we're using an ellipses here. It shows that a pattern has been established. It looks like it is the even numbers all the way up to 50. So the number of elements in set H, that's 25. For D, we just have the empty set here. We've already established for B up here that the number of elements in the empty set is 0. And finally for E here, we can see that we have set U is equal to Washington, Adams, Jefferson, Madison, and then a pattern, that's why we have the ellipses here, has been established. These are the last names of the President of the United States, and as you can see, it concludes with Obama and then Trump. Now, President Trump was the 45th President of the United States. However, these are the last names, and the cardinality of a set is the number of distinct elements. For Adams here, John Adams was the second President of the United States, but his son, John Quincy Adams, was also the President of the United States. We know that there was the President William Henry Harrison, and then there's also the President Benjamin Harrison. There was the President Andrew Johnson. There was also the President Lyndon B. Johnson. We know that there was George H.W. Bush, and there was also George W. Bush, his son, Theodore Roosevelt, and then Franklin D. Roosevelt. So we have to be able to do a little bit of historical research here to be able to determine the distinct number of elements in here. So the actual number of distinct elements for this set here is 39. And there you go.